In court this afternoon, the charges were read to the Champaign man police say was behind a senior home sex scandal. Good evening. In court this afternoon, the charges were read to the Champaign man police say was behind a senior home sex scandal. Good evening. I'm Aaron Bennett.
And I'm Jennifer Roscoe. Channing Butler pleaded not guilty to soliciting to commit sexual assault.
This afternoon, the charges were read to the Champaign man police say was behind a senior home sex scandal. Good evening. I'm Aaron Bennett.
And I'm Jennifer Roscoe. Channing Butler pleaded not guilty to soliciting to commit sexual assault. Champaign police arrested him yesterday. Investigators say he tried to pay other men to have sex with patients in a memory care facility and then videotape it. WCIA3's Aaron Eads is live at the Champaign County Courthouse in Urbana. Aaron, details of this case are just disturbing.
Jennifer, they were not easy to hear in court today. According to the charges the judge read, Butler's potential victims had profound memory problems. And we learned today that Butler worked and knew with several people who work in senior care facilities across Champaign-Urbana. The courtroom watches Channing Butler shake his head as no less than 6 charges were read to him.
It's not a flight risk, has never had any criminal charge whatsoever. I do believe that bond in the amount of $1 million is extraordinarily excessive under these circumstances.
His attorney says $1 million bond is too much. The judge disagrees. Butler takes his seat, waiting to go back behind bars. This is the building investigators say he was letting people into over the summer, trying to get them to have sex with memory care patients and return with taped evidence. Police say no sexual assaults actually happened. They tell us the patients, although elderly, were able to defend themselves. Besides working at Bickford, the sheriff's office says Butler used to work at the Champaign County Nursing Home. Administrators at Helia Healthcare confirmed to us he also used to work there too. Former co-workers say he worked at CU Nursing and Rehab for a time. And family members of patients say Butler was employed at the Autumn Fields Assisted Living Community in Savoy, at least 5 locations throughout Champaign-Urbana. The sheriff's office confirms no assaults happened while he was employed at the county nursing home, but there's no word on whether anything happened anywhere else.
He has had no previous history of criminality whatsoever. He works at Circle K on East Green Street and First, productive member of society.
His attorney argues that with no prior criminal history, Butler isn't a flight risk. In any case, with the jail time he could be facing, Butler wouldn't be going anywhere for a while.
If you're found guilty of any of count 1 through 6, potential penalties are a term of imprisonment not less than 4, not more than 15 years, followed by 2 years mandatory supervised release.
We've been in contact with some of Butler's former co-workers. They've all told us they're shocked and would have never assumed that Butler would do anything like this. Reporting live in Urbana, Aaron Eads, WCIA3, your local news leader.
All right, thank you, Aaron. Now, when Butler's case goes to trial, prosecutors could be facing an uphill battle. We're digging deeper for you. Investigators say because of the memory issues of the patients Butler was targeting, preparing a strong case against him could be tough. Butler will be back in court in March. A Champaign